If you finish, raise hand. ඉවරනම් raise hand කරන්න ඕනේ ලියාගෙන. ඉවරනම් raise hand කරන්න මම ඊළඟට යන්න ඊළඟ slide එකට. Dulara Sadesma, are you finished? Sadesma, are you finished? Sand to rock is 2 to 3, and sand to cement is 5 to 6. Find the common ratio. Sand, rock, cement. Can you find out how we find sand to rock and cement? Can you calculate the sand? Sand to rock, how much? 2 to 3. Then sand to cement. Sand is there, 5. 5 to, what is? We can get 5 to 6 nil. Is it? Then බලන්න. What are the common ratios? Common මොකද්ද? Sand නේද ඔය දෙකටම common එක. Can you find the 2 and 5? What is the common least common multiple is? What is the previous example? You can refer. What is the least common multiple is? Least common multiple එක කීයද? 2 and 5? Who can tell me? Dudisha, what is the least common multiple for 2 and 5? Yes. Senuja, it's the answer. Dulara, what is the least common multiple for the 2 and 5?
10.
10. We can divide by 2. It's 1, 5. We can divide by 5. 1, 1. This is the 2 multiplied by 5. It's 10. අපි එන මේ 10 හදාගන්න විදිහට 5 multiply by which number get the 10? 5 කීයෙන් වැඩි වුණොත්ද 10 එන්නේ? 2 නේද? Then 2 multiply by 5 is 10. We can get 10 multiply by 5. අපි එකම row එකේ තියෙනේම එකම factor එකකින් තමයි multiply කරන්නේ. Then 6 multiply by 2. What is that? Then 15, 12. What is the least common multiple is? 10. ඒ හින්දා අපි sand to rock to cement ratio is 10 to 15 to 12. Okay. Write down it. If you finish the writing, raise hand. Dulara, I finish?
Yes.
Okay. I'm getting the example from your exercises. 16.3, a fertilizer is produced by combining nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. The ratio nitrogen to phosphorus, what is that? 5 to 3. And the ratio of phosphorus to potassium, 6 to 1. Find the ratios nitrogen to phosphorus to potassium. Can you find? Nitrogen to phosphorus to potassium. Can you find? What is nitrogen to potassium is? What is the ratio? Nitrogen to potassium, nitrogen to phosphorus. Phosphorus to potassium, 6 to 1. 5 to 3 and 6 to 1. Can you find? What is the least common multiple for the 3 and 6? Phosphorus is the common ratio for the nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. You have to get the least common multiple for the phosphorus? 3 and 6. What is the least common multiple is? If you know the what is the least common multiple, send me the to the chat box. Yes, Tisari. Answer is correct. Dudisha, what is the least common multiple is? Dudisha, can you get 3 and 6? What we can divide first? Key and the Vedanta Pula. Dudisha? Dekama bedenne key. We can divide by 3, it's 1 and 2. But we can divide by now 2, 1 and 1. What is the least common multiple is 6 නේද? ඒ කියන්නේ 3 multiply by 2 නේ. එහෙනම් 6 ගන්න නම් මේකේ 6 තියෙන්නේ දෙවෙනි එකේ. මෙන්න මේක multiply කරන්න වෙනවා. It should be multiplied by 2. Okay. What is that? 10, 6 and 1. 10 to 6 to 1. Did you get the answer? Yes, Dulara, Naduli, your answers are correct. Ratios Sahari, ratios Tigari. Okay, if you finish the writing this one, raise hand. Medical deal, I will raise hand. Tadisma, Tisari, I finish. Okay. Coconut oil, sesame oil, and margosa oil are combined together to make medicinal oil. Coconut oil and sesame oil are combined into the ratio 5 to 7. Sesame oil to the margosa oil are combined into the ratio 3 to 1. Find the ratios of coconut oil, sesame oil, and margosa oil in the medicinal oil. Can you calculate? What are the 3 ingredients of this ratio? What are the oils? There are 3 oils. Can you do it? Coconut oil to sesame oil. Margosa. Coconut oil to sesame oil 5 to 2. Coconut oil, sesame oil are combined into the 5 to 2. Sesame oil to margosa oil ratio 3 to 1. Okay. What is the least common multiple is? Two and 3. Yes, Naduli answer is correct. Okay, find the common ratio for the coconut oil, sesame oil, and margosa. The Disha answer is correct. Tisari, check the third ratio. 3 is 15 to what is? Tisari පොඩ්ඩක් බලන්න වගේ පොඩි වෙනසක් කරන්න තියෙනවද කියලා. Yes, Senuja answer is correct. Okay. Then 2 and 3, we have to find the least common multiple. Divide by 2, it's 1, 3. And divide by 3, 1, 1. It's 6. 6 වෙන්න නම් එනම් multiply කරන්න ඕනේ. It's by 3. It's by 3. Multiply කරන්න 2 වලින්. It's 15 to 6 to 2. Did you get the answer? Okay. If you finish the getting answer, raise hand. ඉවරයි හැමෝම raise hand කරන්න. In a certain farm, there are cattle, goat, and hens. Ratio of cattle to goat 4 to 3. Ratio of cattle to hens 2 to 7. Find the ratio to cattle to goat and hens. Okay, get the answers. If you get the least common multiple for the common ratio, raise hand. Raise hand කරන්න මේක මට chat box එකට දාන්න. Yes, Dular answer is correct. Naduli answer is correct. Okay. I think you are finished. ඉවරයි කියලා හිතනවා. Cattle to go to hens. What is the ratio between the cattle and goat? 4 to 3. And cattle to hens. Cattle to hens 2 to 7. It's the least common multiple 4 to it's 2 divided by 2 1 divided by 2 1 1. It's 4. 4 කරගන්න නම් මේක 2 වලින් multiply කරන්න ඕනේ. By 2 3 40. Okay. 4 to 3 to 14. Okay. If you are correct the answer, raise hand. Answer එක හරි නම් raise hand කරන්න බලන්න. I'm going to the next question. ඒකෙම තියෙනවා තව පොඩි question එකක් නේද? If there are 105 animals of these three types in the farm. Find the separate number of cattle, goat, and hens. Cattle. Then what is the ratio? What is the fraction of cattle? 17 plus 4 is මෙතන 14යි 3යි 4යි එකතු කරන්න ඕනේ. It's 21. 20 4 over 21 multiply by 105. It's 520 cattle. Then goat 21 over 3 multiply by 105. It's 5. It's 15. 15 වෙනවා. Goat in a 15. Next hens 21. 14 or 21 multiplied by 105. 5. It's 70. 70 කියලා answer එක ආවද? Okay. I think you all done. බලන්න second part එකටත් answer එක ගත්ත අය raise hand කරන්න. Okay. In a certain village, Sinhalese, Tamil, Muslims live together. The ratios of Sinhalese families to Tamil families 5 to 3. The ratios Tamil families to Muslim families 4 to 1. Can you find the common ratio for these three? Aduli, answer is correct. Yes, Tisari, answer is correct. Naduli, Lodisha, answers are correct. Sinhalese, Tamil, Muslims. What is the Sinhalese to Tamil? 5 to 3. Then Tamil to Muslim, 4 to 1. Then common, this common multiple is 12. Abhi 12 gun again 3 and 4 ne? It's 12. Divide by 3, divide by 4, 1, 1, 4, 12. It's 12. Multiply by 3, multiply by 4. 3, it's 4. 20, 12 to 1, 3. Okay. 20, 12 to 3. Alright. Now, how many families are there in the village if there are 60 Sinhalese? Sinhalese la kiyak innawada? Then, what is? අපිට Sinhalese ගාන හොයන්නේ කොහමද? Sinhalese. If 32, 35. 35, it's 12. 20 over 35 multiply by, we don't know the number. If it's x, we can take 60 equal to 20, 35 equal x. Make අපිට හදන්න පුළුවන්. 60 multiply by 35 divide by 20. It's 3. What is that? Is it 105? Families kiyak inna the total. Total how many families? 105. Okay. අපිට ඔක කෙලින්ම ගන්නවා නම් කරන්න තියෙන්නේ, we can divide the ratio of itself. 60 කීයෙන්ද බෙදන්න තියෙන්නේ? 20ෙන්. වැඩි කරන්න ඕනේ total fraction එකේ. මේ ඔක්කොගේම fractions වල එකතුවෙන් multiply කරනවා. එතකොට 35 කියලා එනවා. හරි. මේක simplify කරපුවාම 105 we can get. Okay. එකපාරින් ගන්නත් පුළුවන්. Okay. Did you get the answer? Total family is 105. If you finish, raise hand. Dulara, Tisari, if you finish, raise hand. Tisari, are you finished? Okay. ඔයාලට ඒකේ last fifth question එක මම දෙන්නම් ඔයාලට තනියම කරන්න මේ ඒක homework එකක් විදියට දෙන්නම් අපි ඊළඟ lesson එකට අද යනවා. This is for fifth question for your homework. Homework. Now we going to the next question. Next lesson. Sorry. Write down the equations. This is the 17th question, 17th lesson. Write down the first topic is plus the star mark. Make a review exercise set විදියට කරන්නේ. Write down the equation with addition. Equation with addition. X plus 5 equal to 12. How we solve this? First, අපේ මේ තියෙන plus 5 කියන එක අපි අයින් කරගන්න ඕනේ. We have to remove the plus 5. So, we have to add in the minus 5 to the left side. හරි. අපි left side එකට minus 5 එකක් add කරනවා. දැන් අපේ equation එක balance වෙන්න නම් වමටයි දකුණටයි same කරන්න ඕනේ. 12 minus 5. Then plus 5 and minus 5 we can remove. What is it? 12 minus 5 is, what is the answer? 12 minus 5. 12න් 5ක් අඩු කරොත් කීයද? Who can tell me?
7.
7. X is equal to 7. The answer is 7. හරි අපි මේකේ මොකද කරේ? දැන් එහෙනම් X is the now subject. හරි අපි කියනවා X is the subject. සිංහලෙන් නම් අපි කියනවා X උක්ත කරනවා කියලා. Now X is the subject. ඒ කියන්නේ X මේ පැත්තේ තනි වෙලා නේද තියෙන්නේ. එහෙනම් ඒකට අයිති අගය තමයි දකුණු පැත්තේ තියෙන්නේ. What is the value? It's 7. Okay. Write down the first one. This is an example. ඉවර ඇතිනේ. Can you get the answer for this? Solve this. Yes. Naduni, first answer is correct. Yes. Naduli, both are correct. Yes, Senuja, Tisari, your answers are correct. Okay, I will do. Then now we have to get as a subject. 36 x plus 9 minus 9 equal to 36 minus 9. X is equal to 27. X plus 23 equal to 23. Then x plus 23 minus 23 equal 23 minus 23. Okay, it's now x is equal to 0. Okay, if you finished getting answers, raise hand. Tisari, ඉවරයිනේ. හරි. Write down the equations with subtraction. Can you get the answer for this one? මම grade 7 ඒවා කියලා දෙන්නේ. Okay, can you get the answers? මොකද කරන්න ඕනේ? X we can get as a subject. We have to remove the minus 25. What we can do for the left side? කවුරු හරි කියන්න බලන්න minus 25 අයින් කරගන්න නම් මොකද කරන්න ඕනේ අපි? -25 අයින් කරගන්න. නදුලි කොහොමද -25 අයින් කරගන්නේ? Yes, we can add in 25 to the left side and right side both. 25, 100 plus 25. What is the answer is? X is equal to how much? 125, is it? Okay. Okay. ඔයාලා ඉවර ඇතිනේ. Okay. Equation with multiplication. Multiplication එකක් තිබ්බනම් අපි මොකක්ද ඒකේ? What is the inverse of multiplication? Multiplication එකක් තිබ්බනම් we can divide the both side by 3. 3x divided by 3, 36 divided by 3 also. What is the answer is? 36 divided by 2, 3. 36 3ෙන් බෙදුනොත් කීයද? What is the answer is? It's 12. Okay. Write down the next example. Equation with division එකත් අපි කතා කරමු. Division. What is the answer? Division එකක් තියෙන්නේ නා. We have to multiply it by 2. දෙකෙන් වැඩි කරොත් දෙපැත්තම දෙකෙන් වැඩි කරන්න වෙනවා. That is x equal to 44. Okay. After you finish, raise hand. Yes, this answer is correct for the previous one. If you finish, raise hand. If you're finished, raise hand. Guna raise hand karan. Solve these questions. හරි බලමු ඉක්මනටම කවුද කරන්න කියලා. I'm counting who done first. හරියටම කරන්න ඕනේ. Okay. Naduli, send me the answers. Okay, Nandini. Ludisha ivarada? Dulara?
Wait.
Okay. Ludisha?
No, sir.
Ludisha කිවෙන එකද කරන්නේ?
Last question, sir.
Okay. Okay, Sanuja. I'm solving the questions.
Excuse
X
me,
plus.
sir.
Oh, can I?
So last one 20. The last one sir 25 අයිකලින් පෙමුණින්. එතකොට sir 25
Oh,
22 minus
22.
13 ගන්න එපා.
22 දෙන්නේ එකේ.
Yes sir 22 minus 13 minus 22 ගන්න කොහොමද sir?
13 minus 22 is the minus value. එතකොට අපිට ගන්න වෙන්නේ 22න් 13ක් අඩු කරන ඉස්සරවම 22 minus 13. එතකොට කීය දෙන්නේ? 12 minus 9 it's 9. Okay, 9ක් නෙන්නේ. Then what is the higher value is minus. It's minus 9. Minus 9 divided by 3 is minus 3. එහෙම තමයි
Ah.
එන්නේ. මම ඒක ආයෙ කරන්නම්. 15 x plus 10 minus 10, 15 minus 10. X is equal to what is 5. Second one, x minus 5, 25. X plus x minus 5 plus 5. 25 plus 5. X equal to 30. 5x equal to 20. Divide by 5. Divide by 5. X equal to 4. Fourth one, 3x plus 2x plus 3 equal to 13. 2x plus 3 minus 3, 13 minus 3. 2x equal to 10. X is equal to 5. Fifth one, 4x minus 1 equal to 19. 4x minus 1 plus 1, 19 plus 1. 4x equal to, make it a කැපෙනවා. It's 20 divided by 5. Sorry, 4. It's 4. X equal to 5. එමාවද? Sixth one, 3x plus 22 equal to 13. 3x plus 22 minus 22. 13 minus 22. අපි මෙතන කලින් බැලුවා 3x equal වෙන්නේ minus 9 වලට divide by 3 is x equal to minus 3. Okay. If you finish raise hand, ඉවරයි නා. නදුලි අන්තිම එක පොඩ්ඩක් වෙනස්වක් වුණා නේද? නදුලි, its sign is inverse නේ? Is it? Okay. after you finish rice sand, ඔයාලා ඉවර නම් rice sand කරන්නකෝ. Write down the constructing equations. හරි අපි මේක exercise වලින්ම කරමු. මම exercise එකක් ගන්නවා. Construct a simple equation for each of following statement. When 5 is added to half the value of x, the result is 8. Okay, හොඳට කියවන්න බලන්න. When 5 is added to half the value of x. x කෙන් කොච්චරකටද 5ක් එකතු කරන්නේ? What is? When 5 is added to half of the value of x. Who can tell me the equation? Okay, හොඳට කියවන්න. Read again and again. When 5 is added to, ඔන්න ඔතනින් එකක් වෙන්නේ. Half the value of x. x වලින් කොච්චරකට? It's full x or half x? What is the equation? Can you construct? Who can construct? Naduli, can you do? Ludisha? Dulara? Dulara පුළුවන් equation එක හදන්න. What is
5 plus 1 over x.
x divided by 2 x plus 5 නේද?
Yes,
equal to 8 නේද?
8.
Okay. Second one, a parcel has one book of value x rupees and another book worth 50 rupees. The value of the books in 5 such parcel is 750 rupees. එක parcel එක මිල කීයද? What is that? A parcel has one book of value x. කොහොමද කියන්නේ? එක parcel එක. දැන් මේ parcel එක කියලා හිතන්න. එක parcel එක දෙන a parcel has one book of value x. x තියෙනවා and another book worth 50 rupees. What is the value of one parcel? Tisasna? So, Tisasna නෑනේ අද. Dudisha? හරි. X plus 50 නේද? Then how many such parcels here? Dulara? How many such parcels? 7 parcels. No. කොච්චරද තියෙන්නේ? The value of books in 5 such parcels. එහෙනම් parcel 5ක x plus 50 equal to 750. Okay. Write down the first 2 examples. Yes, Senuja answers are correct. If you're finished, raise hand. Ivarna raise hand can. I think you are finished. Raj brothers' age is 1 year less than 1/3 of Raj's age. Raj's brother is 3 years old. There is a 1/3 කියලා තියෙනවා. 1/3 කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? 1/3 කියන එක. 3න් එකකට. රාජ්ගේ වයස ගන්න. රාජ්ගේ වයස ගන්න x කියලා. Can take x. Yes, Tisari, your answer is correct. බලන්න Raj brother's age is 1 year less than 1 year less than මොකද්ද කියන්නේ 1/3 of Raj's age කීයද රාජ්ගේ වයසෙන් කීයෙන් එකකට වැඩියද කියන්නේ 1/3 ඒ කියන්නේ it's divided by 3 වලට වැඩි එකක් අඩුයි ඒක equal වෙනවා what is it's equal to 3 did you get the answer okay get the equation for the fourth one Rashmi has 200 rupees, which is 5 times amount that he obtained when 10 rupees deduct from twice the amount of Vishmi has. Rashmi has 200 rupees. There is one, which is 5 times the amount that is obtained when 10 rupees deducted from twice the amount that Vishmi has. What is? අපි ඔය කොටස් වලට කඩා ගන්න ඕනේ. Rashmi has 200 rupees, which is 5 times the amount that is obtained. 5 times amount that is obtained when 10 rupees deducted from twice the amount that Vishmi has. මොකද කියන්නේ? හරි. ඔක ගන්න බලන්න. Rashmi has 200 rupees. ඔන්න ඔක ගන්න. Which is 5 times amount. 5 times amount that he obtained when 10 rupees deducted from twice the amount Vishmi has. මොකද කියන්නේ? Vishmi ගාව තියෙන ගාන x කියලා ගන්න. Okay. Vishmi has twice නේ. It's 2x. 2x. මොකද වෙන්නේ? When 10 rupees deducted from. හරි. 200 multiply කරන්න ඕනේ 5 වලින් and minus 10. Okay. Get the what is 2x equal 1000 minus 10. Okay. Fifth one, when 5 is subtracted from half of a certain number. Kiyada. Subtracted from half of a certain number. Certain number is, we can get the x divided by 2 minus 5 equal to 2. Okay. Get the answer. After you finish, raise hand. හරි ඔයාලා කරන්න මේක. If you finish, raise hand. If you finish, raise hand. Dudisha, ඉවරද?
Oh, sir.
දුලාර ඉවරයි නේද? තිසරි? හරි, තිසරි ඉවරයිනේ. සෙනුජ? I finish.
Finish, sir.
හරි. මේ මම අද කලින් නතර කරනවා මේ හෙට කට්ටියන්ට ටර්ම් ටෙස්ට් එහෙම තියෙන හින්දා. අපි next week ඉතුරු ටික කරමු. ඕකේ. හරි. එහෙනම් ඔක්කොටම good night. ඕකේ.
Good night.
Okay.
Good night, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay.